immer richtig spielen. Wir machen jetzt ein Squash-Tutorial. Ja. Ich zeige, wie es richtig geht. Er zeigt, wie man es nicht macht.
Your servant I am. Will you give it to me? It seems what's left of my human side is slowly changing in me. Will you give it to me? Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no, there is no turning back now. Woken up the demon, the enemy. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it open to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You fucker, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Madness is the gift that has been given to me. Inside you, the sickness is rising. Don't try to deny. Oh,
beat my wife, cause I'm a bro. I give millions to the industry, even though it's rap by the Japanese, cause I'm a bro. Flame tattoos, revving my dirt bike, slapping my bitch when she's out of line. I talk shit all the time if your truck is smaller than mine, cause I'm a bro. Well, I've got black socks and sideburns, cause I'm a bro. I bleached my hair and I spiked it, cause I'm a bro. I street race my grandma's Buick, cause I'm a bro. You know Sunday